This low-carb version of the classic French dish features tender chicken simmered in red wine with mushrooms and bacon, perfect for a satisfying keto meal. Enjoy the rich flavors without the carbs. Main dish, French keto medium 40 minutes 450 calories. Ingredients: 1 chicken thigh bone. In skin on 1/2 cup red wine dry, such as Cabernet Sauvignon. 2 tablespoons butter. 1/4 cup mushrooms, sliced 1 slice bacon, chopped 1/4 cup pearl onions, 1 clove garlic, minced 1 teaspoon fresh thyme, salt and pepper to taste 1/4 cup chicken broth.
Coq au vin. Just the name alone evokes the sophistication of French cuisine, a rustic yet elegant dish that has been served on tables for centuries. Traditionally made with chicken simmered in red wine, bacon, mushrooms and onions, coq au vin is a masterpiece of bold, layered flavors. But if you're following a keto lifestyle, you might be wondering, how can such a classic fit into your diet? The answer? Tweaking tradition with smart swaps, while keeping all the French culinary magic intact. So let's reimagine coq au vin, keto style. It all starts with the chicken. While the classic version often utilizes a whole bird, we'll simplify things with chicken thighs. They're rich and flavorful, and most importantly, they're loaded with fat, which is a bonus for keto. Sear them in a piping hot skillet with ghee or avocado oil to get that golden crust that seals in the juices. Next, we tackle the wine. Yes, wine is not off limits. A good dry red wine, like a Pinot Noir or Cabernet Sauvignon, brings depth without adding significant carbs. But don't worry, most of the alcohol cooks off, leaving behind its rich, tangy essence. And then there's bacon, because what's coq au vin without that smoky, salty bite? Crispy, chopped bacon will form the base of your flavor profile, creating a savory canvas for the rest of the dish. Now, traditionally, this recipe includes pearl onions and flour to thicken the sauce. But here's where the keto magic happens. Instead of pearl onions, opt for shallots, which are lower in carbs, and for the thickening agent, out goes the flour. A sprinkle of xanthan gum does the trick without sabotaging your macros. It creates a luscious, velvety sauce worthy of Michelin-starred chefs. Of course, mushrooms remain an essential player. Sautéed until golden, their earthy flavor pairs beautifully with the wine and herbs. And speaking of herbs, don't skimp on fresh thyme and bay leaves. They infuse the dish with that signature aromatic finish.